Okay, so now I'm at my brother's, and like it's gone from snowing to actually hailing. Like it's really like it's gross. Like look at this. This is actual hail. Okay, I'm getting beaten with this stuff. Oh my god! This is so harsh. Look at that. It's like little balls of hail everywhere. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. It was like literally hailing. Oh my god. Little snowballs. Oh, look at my mom's car. I'm visiting my mom. So that is just nuts. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. And it's still really hailing out here. Like this is just nuts. It's like March 26th, or yeah, no, February 26th. And it's like really, really windy. And we got all these little hail balls everywhere. Like, look at that. They're really tiny though. I've seen them bigger in Alberta. Like, oh my son's working in this stuff. Ah! Wow. Okay, now crazy enough. It is snowing. And it's sticking. The chairs. Oh, it's snowing, it's snowing. Can you see the snow? So like my mom said, it's the first snow this year. And technically it is, because it's a new year and we only had snow once last year. And now we have snow again. Your window's dirty. We're looking out the window now. And of course the window's dirty. There we go. Find a non-dirty spot. Yay! Shando, be so happy it's snowing.